Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Day 17, lesson 17. And we are working on adding three numbers, okay? And in your packet, this is the page we're going to be working with. And we have the first problem written on our board, okay? So we're trying to find what is 7 plus 3 plus 4, okay? So I rewrote it again. As you can see on your packet, they wrote 7 plus 3 plus 4. We know we have an arrow from our 7, so that means we're going to bring our 7 straight down, okay? So we're going to bring our 7 down. We're not going to do anything with 7. But 3 and 4 both have circles and a big circle at the bottom. And we know that this is a form of a number bond, okay? So you have 3 plus 4. So we know that we're going to have to figure out what's 3 plus 4. If I have 3 circles, and we know plus means to add together, to put them together, then I have 4 circles. How many circles do I have in all? How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that 3 plus 4 gives us 7, okay? So what they did, they combined the two numbers to these two numbers, because you had 3 to make two numbers to add together. So we had the one number combined 2. So now we have two numbers to add together. And the two numbers we have are 7 plus 7. What is 7 plus 7? We have to figure that out. So I am going to use squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 1 7. But now I need to add 7 more. So let's draw 7 more squares because we're putting them together. We're adding 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we need to find out what 7 plus 7 by adding our two sets of blocks. So what we're going to do, we're going to count all of our blocks to see what 7 plus 7 is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What number did we get? Right, 14. So now we know that 7 plus 7 equals 14, because we just put both sevens together and they gave us the number 14. So now we know that 7 plus 3 plus 4 equals, right, our 14. Because we took the two numbers and made 7, and here we just wrote it all out again. 7 plus 3 plus 4 equals 14. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do one more together. We're going to do one more together because you have actually 2 sheets of these number bond. I'm adding 3 numbers together. You have 2 sheets of those to do today. So my next one is going to be number 2 on your worksheet. Number 2. Okay, we're going to work that one together. Okay, and it is find. And what are we going to find? 3 plus 2 plus 7. Okay, 3 plus 2 plus 7. So they give us 3 plus 2 plus 7 again. And this time it's written up a little bit different because they got a circle around our 3, a circle around our 7, and they're combining the 3 and the 7 in a number bond. And then they can take our 2 and bring it over here and bring it down. So we have whatever plus blank equals whatever. And then we're going to rewrite our number again. Plus 2 plus 7. Okay? So we rewrote it again. So let's find out what we have, okay? So right now we have the 2. Let's work it this way. We have 3 plus 7. Because it got us 2 number bonds. They're separated this time. But we're combining these 2, the 3 and the 7, to get this number. So we have 1, 2, 3 circles once again. This time instead of 2, we're coming and picking up the 7. Let's do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're adding or putting together 3 plus 7 to get this number. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right here, our number is 10. We have 10 circles. So we're going to take that 10 because we're adding the 3 and the 7, and it gives us 10. 7 plus 3 gave us 10. Okay? And we're going to take our 2, which has an arrow all the way over, and we're going to put our 2 right here because we're following that line, and I want us to put our 2 right there, okay? So now we have to find out what is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. Okay? And you can work it several different ways. You can count it like we did with the circles. You can use your 10 train, or you can use just your number bond. Okay? So 10 plus 2. Let's use our, what are we going to work with? Let's keep working with our counting. Or we can use our 10 frame, okay? So let's use our 10 frame for this one. We're going to make 10 frames down here, okay? Okay, we're using our 10 frames to figure out what is 10 plus 2. Okay, so we use our 10 frames. So the first number we need to count out is our 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that filled up our 10 frame. And then how many leftovers we have? How many ones we have? 1, 2. We had 2 ones left over. So we know that if we have 10, we have 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay? 2 ones. That give us the number, right, 12. 1 and 2. 10 and 2 equals 12. 1 10 plus 2 ones. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They give us the number 12. So now we know that 3 plus 2 plus 7 equals the number 12. Okay? All right, I hope that helped you out with that. That's what you're going to be working with the rest of your number bonds. The ones that have the arrow, you just bring the number down or over and down. And then you have to add together what's in your circles, okay? You add together what's in your circle to get the number in the big number in your big part of your number bond. Same thing with the next page, okay? If I can open it up. On our next page, we're working the same thing. You have your 2 numbers in your circle, which is going to equal your big number in your number bond, and you're bringing your next number over. 2 numbers in your circle, give you your number bond, and you bring the next one down and you add it. Okay? And whatever you get here is what you bring down to your next one. Okay? So that's what you're going to be working with on your math sheets today. And then your fluency sheet, it's the same thing we did yesterday. Figuring out your number bond, and then you're writing the 2 number sentences. Okay? Best of luck on your math, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night.